Ellavakum Namaskaram Usmanamaya Asansaka. Hello everyone, a warm greeting. My name is B.S. Pranavel. I am studying in grade 10 in Sri Shakthi International School. Today, I am here to give explanation on the history, culture and some basic information on Kerala. Kerala is a state formed on 1st November 1956 on the basis of State Reorganization Act 1956. Kerala is popularly known as God's own country, the state with highest literacy rate in India. In addition to this, the state with low infant mortality rate in the country. The capital city, Thiruvananthapuram, is the capital of Indian state of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is a major information technology hub in Kerala. Earlier, Mahatma Gandhi referred Thiruvananthapuram as the evergreen city of India. Part of location. Kerala is situated in the Malabar coast of southwestern part of Indian subcontinent, sharing boundaries. It is bordered by Karnataka to the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu to the east and south, and the Lakshadweep Sea to the west. Latitudinal extent of Kerala is 8 degree 17 minute 30-second north and 12 degree 47 minute 40-second north. The longitudinal extent of Kerala is 74 degree 27 minute 47-second east and 77 degree 37 minute 12-second east. Chief Minister of Kerala is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. He is an Indian politician. Vijayan won seat in Dharmodham constituency and was selected as the Left Democratic Front leader and became the 12th Chief Minister of Kerala. Governor of Kerala is Mr. Arif Mohammed Khan, who belongs to the party Bharatiya Janata Party. The opposition party of Kerala Legislative Assembly is Indian National Congress. The opposition leader is uh, Vadaseri Damodaran Satishan. He represents Paravur constituency in Ernakulam district. Let us see some state symbols. The state emblem, state animal, Indian elephant, state bird, great Indian hornbill, state fish, green chromide, state butterfly, Papilio Buddha, state flower, Kannikonna, state fruit, jackfruit, and state tree, coconut tree. There are n number of tourist spots present in Kerala. Here I brought up with you some spotted 5 tourist spots. First, Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple, which is located at Thiruvananthapuram. Second, Tea Gardens of Munnar, Alapi Backwater of Alapi, Kerala Kathakali Center, which is present at Cochin, and last, Parambikulam Tiger Reserve at Parambikulam. Dance of Kerala. Kerala is home to a number of performance arts. These include 5 classical dance forms: Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kodiyattam, Thullal, and Krishnattam. Some traditional dance forms such as Opana and Dusumuttu were popular among the Muslims of the state, while Margamakali and Pachamuttakali are popular among the Syrian Christian, and Chavitunadakam is popular among the Latin Christian. Music. Carnatic music dominates Keralite traditional music. This was the result of Sati Tirunal Ramavarma's popularization of the genre in the 19th century. Raga-based relations known as Sapnam accompany Kathakali performance. Melam, including the Pandi and Panchari variants. Language. The state language of Kerala is Malayalam and the additional official language is English. Culture. The culture of Kerala is composite of cosmopolitan in nature and it is an integral part of Indian culture. It is a synthesis of Aryan, Dravidian, Arab, and European cultures. The traditional Kerala dress of men is Mendu or Lungi. The traditional dress of women in Kerala is Mundum Neriyathum. Festivals. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated by the people of Kerala. It is local festival of Kerala consisting of 4-day public holidays. Onam falls in the Malayalam month of Chingam, August to September. Colleges present at Kerala. Government medical colleges. There are 62 government medical colleges present in Kerala. IIT 1, which is IIT Palakkad. Same IIM, which is IIM Kozhikode. Conclusion. Yes, I would like to end my speech with this, and I would like to say that at once in your lifetime, you must visit Kerala to sense the feel of heaven. Thank you. Have a nice day.